and me. Ah. Eat. Oh.
Here you are, sir. Here's your Whopper from the King of Burgers.
Wow, really, Clyde? Really? Wow, what's wrong with you?
I can't even begin to fathom what could possibly be wrong now, sir.
I'll give you a hint. Where's the French fries?
Fries, sir?
Yes, you can't eat a burger without fries.
Ask for any fries, sir.
What was that? Say it in my good ear, because it sounds like you're talking back.
Didn't ask for any fries, sir. I'm not going in there.
Oh, yes, you are. You're talking back to me, Todd. Now go in the jail for 30 minutes.
You want to know how I feel about you, sir?
Well, wait, explain how you feel then. Show me how you feel. Oh, no. You got it now, Todd. Now go in the jail for an hour.
I would like to quit, sir.
Oh, you're going to quit? Then how are you going to feed your family, huh?
At this point, I would rather than starve, sir.
Go in the jail. You're going to starve today.
Show me how the room goes.
Yeah, come on.